That was a lot more than I thought there was. It's alright, let him go. Alright, let's go. I thought I'd hit that one. I mean, obviously I thought I did, but I didn't see him flopping around. They're still over there, dude. Dude, look up, look up, look up. Dude. They're too high. Let's just walk slow. Only shoot the greenheads. Don't shoot a hen. You know what I mean? God, that was right over me.
Sorry.
Shit. All right, just leave it alone. We'll let it be our decoy. We're fixing to have a hunt. Hide out right here. I don't know about that, but okay. Just get ready. Stay loaded. We're fixing to have a... Hey, out front, be still, be still, be still, be still, be still. Let her go. I saw, you don't hear me saying be still? Woody, leave him, let him. Don't shoot him. Don't shoot him. I mean, unless you just want to. You want to fucking shoot him. Let's leave him because there's other birds flying. Yeah, let those greenheads go. Hey, you see these greenheads coming? Blake, fix the fucking one. Shoot that greenhead. Shoot that greenhead. Shoot him. He's wounded. He's down over there. Do you want to stay in the... Why don't you... How'd you not kill him? Why don't you walk over and see if you can finish him? And I'll defend the hole. It took a lot to not shoot that hen. I thought you hit him.
Oh, well.
That's what I was saying, like, go find. Got him, that a boy. You did that. I figured you were going to take that one, so I swung to the one ahead and whiffed on him.
Well,
so that's 6. That's all right, let him come back. All right, let's shoot this one, then try to get a count. Get ready. Yeah, I see him. Shoot that green head. Let the hen go. I appreciate you letting me do all the shooting. Add walls or something like that, but finish it. That was your effort you gave us.
Well, I didn't see the mallard.
Here come these. Look, we cannot shoot more than one. Wait, there's some over there too. Try to land one, shoot it off the water. Shoot that green head. Talk about an epic hunt and a band. Unreal. All right, so to wrap up the day, one of the greatest days of my life as far as outdoors and hunting. Found open water, found mallards, and just beat the brakes off of them in less than an hour. 2-man limit, all greenheads. We could have been done in 20 or 30 minutes if we wanted to shoot hens. We had a couple wood ducks come by. We had hens just land in the water, and we just didn't shoot them. We just let them be. Trying to go for only green, and then to top the day off, the icing on the cake, a band. Got a banded mallard. Just fantastic day. Couldn't ask for anything better. Hope you guys are having a good season. Hope things are going good for you. Appreciate you guys for watching. Like, subscribe. New bows coming soon. Appreciate you guys. Stick around. Hey, thank you for watching this video. I need you to do me a favor. If you're going to buy an e-bike, go check out rambobikes.com. Add one to your cart, use the code RRWoods down at the discount code. They don't give out a ton of discount codes. I'm one of the few, and I'm super happy to be one of the few. Just see what your total would be. If it's something that's on sale or on closeout, it may not work, but go check out the full priced ones and save yourself a bunch of money, and it's almost like it's on closeout. It's that good of a discount. Helps the channel out. It helps all this stuff happen, and it saves you money. I appreciate it. I'm super thankful. Get back to the show.